Shalom, Royal Family. The class you are about to hear is taught by the Honorable Yudhe Beit Nun Sophie Yudhe many years ago. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Visit us at www.yahweh144000.com. Also, Royal Family, you can enroll in classes designed for the Godhead at www.universityofyahweh.org. Enjoy.
Now, you said you want to go to heaven. Why are you not in heaven? Because you don't know how to get there. How many would be in heaven if you knew how to get there? Some people are scared to go to heaven. See, just notice, look at it. Look. See, we have people scared of heaven. Check yourself out. That's hard to believe. I'm looking at some people afraid of heaven. Everybody raised their hand and said, I want to go to heaven. See, I saw all your hands. And I said, well, the only reason you don't know how you're not in heaven is you don't know the way. So then I asked, how many of you, if you knew the way, would go to heaven? You'd already be there if you knew the way. Let me see the hand. Now I got less people scared of heaven. Now some people don't want to go to heaven because they don't know what that is. Don't understand heaven. Don't have a concept. Just don't have a concept of heaven. Isn't that something? There's nothing like having a concept of what you want to do and where you want to go. If you ask my people, how many of you like to be a millionaire? Let me see the hands of you. Each of you like to be a millionaire. See, some people scared of that too. Scared of money. I mean, you should see this look on some people's face like, look at me real strange, you know. Some try to smile, some don't have no smile, some are stony face. Some folk become millionaires. A lot of folk are jealous of them. And some people just wish they were. Some folk play the lottery trying to get there. Want to be a millionaire, but scared of money. Most of my people, if you put them in a room full of money that exceeded $1 million, about $10 million in $1 bills, and say, count $1 million, you can have it. You have to be 100% accurate. It can't be $1,001, and it can't be $999,999 either. This must be accurate. Do you know most of my people would never get out of that room with a dime? Can't count $1 million. I found it out. I found out I had a lot of brothers. I gave them a test one day and said, do you know most of my people can't even write $1 million? I'm trying to figure out how can you want $1 million and can't write it? Most of you in here wouldn't walk out the room with $1 million because you can't write it. If you can't write it, I already know no need to put you in the room to count it. What? I mean, they'd be in there and starved to death, would never get out the room. They'd be counting all their life trying to, let's see, now what was that? What was I? See, when you study and meditate in the law of the Feast of Weeks, then you'd learn how to have $1 million. Having $1 million is easy. $1 million is chump change, but that's the American dream. See, the American dream is a millionaire. 1 million. That's if I just get 1 million. How many feel like you just get your hot hands on just 1 million, everything in your life could be all right? Let me see your hand. See, I got folks scared of money. They don't think $1 million would do them no good. Boy, if I waited on you to get $1 million, I'd stay broke. You don't even want $1 million to bring and give it. Look at yourself. Feast of Weeks is about celebrating big time money, and you scared of $1 million. You think it's a trick. If you got $1 million, you'd be in a trick. Just about everybody in the country could trick you out of it. You tricked yourself out of it. You wouldn't need a con man, you'd con yourself out of it. 30 days from now, you wouldn't have a nickel. Because the house you're in, the apartment you're in would be too small. I saw condominiums that sell for $1.5 million. You couldn't even move in with your million. You'd be $500,000 short. And yet you just said in your mind, if I had $1 million, solve my problem. You couldn't even move into certain neighborhoods with that little chump change. If it was $1 million condominium, you put your $1 million down, walk into darkness. You should have bought a cheaper house so you could turn the lights on. What? See, we don't know about money. Or each one of you would be bringing me $1 million tonight. I'll be bringing it to you. That's why you can't get it. You don't want to give nobody anything. See, you don't want to give God anything. You just want God to give you something. Oh, Lord, help me today. I mean, you never did say anything about what you want to give the Lord. That's why you don't have. That's why the Lord don't listen to you. Isaac was smarter than you are. Isaac went to a country broke, didn't have a nickel. He had more sense than you. My people are programmed to just beg God. Yeah. And if God don't give them what they want, they be mad at God. Don't want to pray to God no more. I'm not serving God no more. I asked you for something and you didn't give it to me. Well, that's all right, then. I'll hustle for myself. You don't want to give it to me? I won't pray to you no more. How many know there's people like that about God? God hates to see you coming. He's tired of hearing, well, Lord, it's me once more and again, down in the knees, begging you once more, Lord. Think God is a Santa Claus. Get on your knees with a want list. See, don't want to work for nothing. See, when you study the law of Feast of Weeks, you have to do a previous work to celebrate Feast of Weeks. See, we don't work for anything. We want a God that to give it to us, and this whole country go to church. Churches on every corner. Best looking thing in your neighborhood is the church. And you go to church and get broke. And pray to a God that don't want to see you. Hear you talking to him. Oh Lord, if you just help me through this, I'll be so grateful. And a little check comes, you shout, and forget about God. Go give the check to the people that just took all the rest of the money you used to have. Most of you want God to give you money so you can give it to people who are going to use it to oppress you. You don't know what to do with money. So God just sit back and just look at you, knowing you're rich, but you don't know how to see. Now Isaac, when he went to a land broke, he had studied the law of Feast of Weeks. See, he said, I want to be able to celebrate Feast of Weeks, Yahweh. I tell you what, if you bless me, I promise you a tenth. First, up front. And I read where Isaac sowed, Yahweh gave him some seed to test it. Isaac sowed in that land. Yahweh blessed him 100-fold. You hear me? Can you imagine getting $100 back for every dollar you put up? And you were broke yesterday? I mean, I'm talking about Yahweh. See, that's the way Yahweh blessed. Check me out. I came to Miami broke. Didn't have any money. And in just a few short years, I have built over $100 million. Huh? See, I have been blessed 100 million fold. How would you like to be blessed 100 million fold? You're scared of a million. I just tested you. Now I can show you the way out. See, I'm giving you information now how to get out. You have to first take on a mind. You got to have a new mind. Give up the false god that you've been taught to pray to with a want list. That lets you languish in hell without. And come to the true and living God, whose name is Yahweh. That's blessing me. See, you need to know my man. You see, you understand the mystery? See, your man is not doing for you what my man is doing for me. Now, the greatest blessing that I can bestow upon you is introduce you to my man. Now, what's the advantage of me introducing my man to you? Is my man is ready to do for you what he's done for me. What he's doing for me. There's no past tense for me. No, I'm steady accumulating. I haven't reached 100 and stopped. I'm on my way to 1 billion. Praise God. See, when I introduced you, when I told you about my man, I didn't have any money. I said, $1 million is easy. So my man gave me $1 million. And then I said, well, shoot, you can do this? I want 10. My man gave me 10. I said, shoot, you can do this, I want 20. My man gave me 20. You can read it in the newspaper and see that where all of the white folks, they were taking and coming around and snooping and going out to the courthouse and looking up everything. And they say, well, Yahweh is worth 2 million now. Now he worth 4 million. Now he worth 20 million. So they keep on going up because I'm in the process. I'm talking about my man. My man's name is Yahweh. My man is wonderful. He's wonderful to me. That's why I'm testifying. See, my man is so good, I don't want to keep him to myself. I want to share him with all who would like to have what my man is doing for me. You can have it. Try my man. Now, if your man is doing for you what my man is doing for me, you ought to be happy. But if you need what my man is offering, I'm willing to introduce you. And everyone that has met my man and accepted my man teaching, see, you have to follow the prescription that my man gives. See, my man has a prescription that I follow. Now, if you're willing to follow a prescription of a doctor and don't know what is in the prescription, then take it anyway. Then you ought to be willing to try my man's prescription. Why? Because my man is the doctor of all doctors. Praise God. Now, you know how you are. You say, I'm sick, I'm suffering from this. Do you know a good doctor? Huh? And if any one of your friends tell you that this is a good doctor on such and such a street, what are you going to do? You go. And what are you going to do when you meet him? Follow his recommendation. You program like that. But you're not programmed to want to meet God. See, my man, Yahweh, is God of all God. That's who he is. He is seeable. You can see him. Talk to him. Touch him. Reason together. Have a good time together. Now, one of my man's prescriptions is Feast of Weeks. Now, you came tonight unprepared to celebrate Feast of Weeks. So you have a year to get ready. You have a year from now to work. And if you be a faithful worker between now and next Feast of Weeks, you'll have a plenteous harvest. See, now you who are terrestrial don't understand what I'm talking about. But all of you that either want what my man offers, you may not understand it, but you're motivated to go to work. You want to meet this man so you can work for him. See, my man says that if you work for him, he'll bless you. And his blessings will make you rich. And he'll add no sorrow with it. That's what my man promised. And he wrote it in the book so you can check him out. And I'm here to bear witness through my work that my man will do what he said he would do. My man will change you from a dispossessed people to possessors of the world. That's the kind of power my man has. See, and I'm his son. My man is the sovereign one. And I'm his only begotten sovereign son. Hallelujah, Yahweh. I just thought you'd want to know his name and know my name. I just thought I'd introduce myself to you. My father's name, my man, is my father. And my father's name is Yahweh. Now, since I'm his son, what do you think my name is? What would it have to be? If I have another name, he couldn't be my father. Hallelujah. And you can rest assured, like Father, like Son. Hallelujah, Yahweh. Now, you don't even have to be jealous of me being Yahweh's son. Now, let me tell you why. You don't have to be jealous of me being Yahweh's son. My father, Yahweh, gave me all power. And he gave me all authority to go with it. To execute any judgment, I will. Now, the reason you don't have to be jealous of me being Yahweh's son is I'm here to give you power to become sons of Yahweh. Praise Yahweh. Now, what reason would I have among the infinite ones to give you power to become sons of Yahweh? It's because, brethren, how pleasant it is to dwell together in unity. It's a pleasant thing. I get a pleasure out of your being rich, like I am. Isn't that wonderful to me? I say I don't have to, but that's my good pleasure. The kingdom belongs to me, but it's my good pleasure to give you the kingdom. But you have to be willing to work for Yahweh. You have to qualify. Yeah, you have to qualify. Basic qualification, be good. And see, that's saying something that you don't understand. You really don't. You have no knowledge and no understanding of what? Good. You do not know how to do good. So when I make a statement, all you have to do is be good. You say, yeah. See, but your mind just drew a blank. Because I already know when it comes to doing good, you have no knowledge or understanding. You've been programmed all your life to do bad. Everything you do is bad. You do bad to yourself. So I know you do bad to your husband and your wife, your girlfriend, boyfriend. You do bad to everybody else. You do bad to your children. You don't know anything else. You just bad. And you make statements like, I try to be good. Forgive me, baby. I'll do better next time. I'll be more good. Forgive me. I'm sorry. You've been sorry all your life. Programmed to be sorry. Don't know how to be good to a woman. That's why she won't do you good. She doesn't know how to be good to a man. You do everything you know to be good to each other. And neither one of you is satisfied. What? Fall in love with a person and you think you just die. You can't live without it. And after a year with them, you feel like you'll die if you stay. Sometimes you wish you had died before you met them. It makes your life so miserable. How sad. And then you just get down on it. I'll never fall in love again. You'll never make my heart pump. Got a steel fence around it. You'll never get inside, I'll bet you that. What are you saying now? You're saying you'll never show love. Man, last time I gave out love, boy, I got hurt. Am I talking to anybody? I'm talking to everybody. And I know it. I fell in love and got burned. How many of you feel like you fell in love and got burned? You know why? Because you don't know what love is. What you fell in was a serious trap. Traps hurt.
Thank you for listening, Royal Family. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Praise Yud-Heh-Wav-Heh. Have a glorious day in Yud-Heh-Wav-Heh. Shalom, Royal Family.